Hello guys, we have come here for viewing the images of goddess Kali, Ma Kali. Ma Kali images are being produced over here. See, all the artists, all the sculptors are present here. This is the famous image house of Jamini Pal. Actually, he is National Award winner. He has developed so many skills in his artwork. This is a very fantastic artistry. Just have a look. All the Ma Kali images are being produced over here. Just see all of them. What a tremendous effort. All people are going out. See, all people are performing, all people are helping each other in developing these skills. So this is a very authentic sculptor house. See the son of the sculptor over here, and there Sri Ramakrishna, the image of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahans. There you can see other images also over there at the corner. There you can see the fine images. There are so many images. Since Kali Puja, Diwali is going to be celebrated, there are so many images being developed over here. So just have a look, just have a look. It's fantastic artistic pieces. Each one is a masterpiece. Each one is a masterpiece. Just have a look. Now let's have some Shama Sangit from here. সদানন্দময়ী কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী সদানন্দময়ী কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী তুমি আপনি নাচো আপনি গাও মা আপনি নাচো আপনি গাও মা আপনি দাও মা করতালি সদানন্দময়ী কালী মহাকালের মনমোহিনী সদানন্দময়ী কালী আদিভূতা সনাতনী শূন্যরূপা শশী বালি ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ছিল না যখন ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ছিল না যখন মুন্ডমালা কোথা পেলি সদানন্দ